How does long division work when the dividend is 3 digits or larger? You still follow the same 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Just repeat them until there are no more digits to bring down. Let's see how this works by dividing 384 by 3. Step 1. Divide. 3 goes into 3 one time. Write the 1 above the 3. Step 2. Multiply. 1 times 3 equals 3. Write 3 under the 3. Step 3. Subtract. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Step 4. Bring down. Bring down the 8 to make 8. Repeat the steps. Divide. 3 goes into 8 2 times. Write the 2 above the 8. Multiply. 2 times 3 equals 6. Subtract. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down the 4 to make 24. Repeat the steps one more time. Divide. 3 goes into 24 8 times. Write the 8 above the 4. Multiply. 8 times 3 equals 24. Subtract. 24 minus 24 equals 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The answer, or quotient, is 128. The 4 steps work exactly the same way with 3-digit dividends or larger. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Just repeat the pattern until you reach the end of the dividend. One important reminder: keep your work aligned in columns so your place values stay correct. Now it's your turn. 945 divided by 7. Let's work through it together. Divide. 7 goes into 9 how many times? 1 time. Write the 1 above the 9. Multiply. 1 times 7 equals what? It's 7. Write it under the 9. Subtract. 9 minus 7 is? The answer is 2. Bring down the 4 to make 24. Divide again. 7 goes into 24 how many times? 3 times. Write the 3 above the 4. Multiply. 3 times 7 equals? It's 21. Subtract. 24 minus 21 is? The answer is 3. Bring down the 5 to make 35. Divide one more time. 7 goes into 35 how many times? 5 times. Write the 5 above the 5. Multiply. 5 times 7 equals? It's 35. Subtract. 35 minus 35 is? Yes, 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The quotient is 135. The 4 steps work the same way, no matter how large the dividend. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Repeat them until you've brought down all the digits.